We visited the Key West Butterfly and Nature Conservatory in Key West, Florida on May the 23rd, 2021. If you would like to get notices when I post again, be sure to subscribe right here. Just click on that button. This is the building that we'll be looking at. The back part of it is a sunroom where the butterflies and birds are kept. It opened in January of 2003 and has about 50 to 60 species of butterflies in it. I'd rate this as a small 5. It's about average for a butterfly exhibit. Our first stop will be the Key West Butterfly and Nature Conservatory. In the back part there are thousands of butterflies flying around. Let's look at this place a little bit. They also have a lot of exotic birds. Now as we leave there, this brings us to the end of this video.